Y'all hear my neighbors? They just got started on their nightly basketball game. Hi everyone, it's been a couple weeks since our last stroll in the garden. It is a beautiful day and things have really taken off, so I thought I'd take you around and show you what we have. The ziggurat is even bigger and more luscious than last time. Some of my sunflowers are really starting to do well. This one has me particularly excited because this midget melon down here has latched on. I don't know if you can see it. Has latched on to the sunflower and he's gonna start climbing up it. You know, I'm so excited about the possibility of growing melons up the sunflower. One of my experiments for my garden this year is to try and use mammoth sunflowers as like a natural trellis and see if I can get like melons and cucumbers to grow up them. So that's pretty encouraging. I'm really excited about that. The watermelon bed has really taken off. The watermelons are starting to go up the trellises a little bit. And then we've got this awesome pepperoncini plant. I added some wire, I'm gonna call them trellises, behind my raised bed for these watermelon. So my watermelon don't just innately climb the trellis the way like a cucumber would or like pole beans would. You can see here they put off the same little tendrils, but even though it's right next to the trellis, they're not wrapping around. They're like wrapping up on themselves. So I'm having to constantly like come through and train them and try and get them to grow up the trellis instead of through the fence into my neighbor's yard. Look at all of these peppers. There's so many on it and they're ridiculous. Like look at how big that one is. I mean, they're so big. What you got, baby?
So this little larva is soldier fly larva. Right there, that's chicken feed. I mean, very high protein. But also, the soldier fly larva eats the housefly larva, so it gets rid of all the housefly issues we have around the compost. So.
Hub Scout turns out to be a Disney princess. We have what are now quickly becoming like pet mockingbirds. They've made a nest in one of our jasmine bushes. Okay, I hope y'all can see this. I'm not going to get much closer because I don't want to fully scare the birdies off completely, but you can definitely see their nest. And I don't think they've laid any eggs yet, but they definitely like follow my husband around the yard and sing to him, and not like that cawing noise that hummingbirds will make. They honestly sing to him and he'll whistle back. It's really, really cute. If I can get it on video, I will. The mockingbirds. Did I say hummingbirds? I'm sorry. The mockingbirds in the soundscape video I made last week, there's a part that I had to edit out because of background noise, but you can see the mockingbirds like going after this snake. And yesterday we were sitting outside admiring all that the light touches, and Ryan was like, they're acting like they did with that snake. I wonder what's going on. And he goes over there, sees another snake, and ran it off for the birds. So if they didn't love him absolutely before, they definitely do now. He's got some little birdie friends. Nothing like a little golden hour to really showcase my front yard bed. Look at them. We've had several hummingbirds come and visit them already. So hopefully we'll get some beans from those. But even if we don't, honestly, I'm probably growing them more for aesthetics than anything else, so it's all good.
Getting my stylish Crocs.
No. Should I? Look at those Crocs and those socks with it. Gotta have socks with your Crocs.
That's right.
I'm not actually any better. Look at those garden shoes. Thank you guys so much for touring the garden with me today. If you liked what you saw, hit thumbs up. If you want to follow along with us this summer, please hit subscribe. And I'll be talking to you guys soon.